Have you ever wondered if traveling to Quito in Ecuador is actually affordable? We paid 234 USD for a week in this apartment, and for the price, we were genuinely so impressed by the quality, the facilities, and the location. In this video, I'll show you around the apartment, take you through the facilities, including the pool, the rooftop, and the gym, and explain why I think this is one of the best areas to stay in Quito. If you're new here, Jack and I are traveling throughout the Americas on a budget, so make sure you subscribe for affordable travel advice as we go. So starting inside the apartment, the living area was spacious, clean, and really comfortable. There's a proper dining table, a really good quality TV, and overall it just feels really modern and well kept. The kitchen was fully equipped with an induction stove, microwave, coffee machine, and a full-size fridge, which makes a big difference when you're staying somewhere for a week. They also provided plenty of coffee, herbal tea, salt, and sugar, and that was really helpful too. One thing we were definitely not used to while budget traveling is having 2 bathrooms. The larger one had a really good shower with strong pressure and hot water, and they provided soap, shampoo, and conditioner. In the bedroom, the bed and pillows were genuinely really comfortable, which is something we definitely don't always get. There's also a second TV in there and loads of storage space, so it's actually really practical if you're traveling with lots of gear. Now heading up to the rooftop, which is one of the best parts of this building. The gardens up here are beautifully maintained, and there were multiple seating areas and 2 barbecue spaces too. From every side you get this great view over the city, and you can see La Carolina Park right below. On clear days, which unfortunately we didn't really get in the wet season, you can even see nearby volcanoes, including Cotopaxi. There's also a pizza oven up here, which was a really cool extra. There's a private cinema room you can rent too, which was pretty cool to see. It seemed perfect for watching movies with a group, and on top of that, there's also a large function space to rent out. Now onto easily my favorite part here, the pool area. This pool was heated to such a nice temperature and the whole space felt really modern and well designed. We used the hot tub almost every day. It honestly felt quite luxurious for the price we paid. Plus, there's also a really nice sauna and steam room, which really added to the premium feel of this place. There's also a games room with a pool table and foosball. To use this area, you had to leave a 500 USD deposit, which seemed a bit wild to us, so we just skipped out on this one. This gym was surprisingly well equipped with a good range of machines and decently heavy weights as well. More than enough for a good workout. The location is a big part of why this apartment works so well. You're right next to La Carolina Park, which is beautifully maintained and massive. There's a proper running track, outdoor gym areas, and on the weekends it really comes alive with locals playing football, volleyball, even American football, which was really cool for us. And there's plenty of food vendors as well. It felt safe, active, and local, which we really liked. There's also a metro station at the south end of the park with all rides costing only 45 cents. It made it so easy to get around the city. So, would you stay here for less than $34 a night? I'll leave the Airbnb link below. Just to clarify, this isn't sponsored at all. We just had a genuinely great experience here and wanted to share it. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more of our time in Ecuador.